So Carlos Migoya is a healthcare hero because of the unbelievable impact he's had, not only on Jackson Health System, our team, but this community.
Carlos took over Jackson Health System in 2011 when it was showing about $82 million in losses a year. And immediately the first year off the blocks, Carlos turned it around into an $8 million profit. And
Carlos is a visionary. He also is a first-class financial manager, and he was able to understand the business of healthcare, but more importantly, to do it with a balanced budget and with expansions to provide new services to the people of our community.
Jackson Health System is at the forefront of healthcare in Miami. We are the public hospital that provides care for all residents of Miami-Dade, regardless of their ability to pay. Over the last 15 years that I've been CEO of Jackson, we've been profitable. We've invested about $2.5 billion worth of capital expenditures in new buildings. On April 23rd, we opened to the public the largest emergency room in the country. Our patient experience now is at the top 85 percentile of the country.
Carlos is certainly the most consequential leader in Jackson's 108-year history. His ability to influence and really engage others in wanting to do the right thing by our organization and our community is like nothing I've ever seen.
Carlos was a superb partner. He understood and advocated for Jackson, but more importantly, he understood the important role of the University of Miami doctors who were part of his hospital specialty care. We were partners with great joy in expanding Jackson's role and improving the quality of education for the next generation of physicians and nurses.
Today we're 15,000 strong. We are one of the largest teaching hospitals, one of the largest transplant programs. We have great programs in neurosurgery, in neurology, in cardiovascular. We graduate 380 doctors every year. There's probably around 5,000 or 6,000 doctors out there with my signature on their diploma. And by the way, those doctors that graduate from Jackson, over the last 25 years, 70% of them have stayed within a 50-mile radius of Jackson. The growth that we've had from a community perspective, the fact that we provide so many jobs for people in Miami-Dade in healthcare is a big, big difference.
Carlos was a transformational leader. He made Jackson into a first-class hospital. He did it with his fiscal skills, his management skills, and his deep love of Miami. He led us into the future, and we're all enormously grateful.
Carlos Migoya is a once-in-a-lifetime human being. He's done an amazing job for healthcare here, championing and promoting and really taking Jackson Health System into new heights. But he's done so much more throughout this community. We really thank him as a healthcare hero, but thank him as a community hero as well.
Carlos's career has changed healthcare in this community, and it's an honor to celebrate that. He's going to leave Jackson stronger in every way, financially, clinically, and physically. And then he's basically mentored in our next CEO at Jackson, David Zambrana.
David Zambrana will be able to take Jackson to the next level. And my achievement, and I believe that's the best achievement of any CEO, is as they leave, to leave the organization in strong hands to follow. So I'm very proud of what we've created here at Jackson, and I know with time this is only going to build to be even stronger and greater than it is today.